You would have fit right in. All right, Unique Rule is a pastry chef, and she's sharing a bit of Jamaican sweetness in Texas with Ditty Island Delights. She joins us now. Hi, Unique. Morning. How are you?
Hi, Dalia. How are you? I'm doing good. I'm here making some guisadas right now.
What you saying to me? So talk to me about Ditty Island Delights. It was inspired by your mom?
Yes, so the guisadas, grated cake, peanut cake, coconut drops, my grandma used to make them. She taught my mom, who taught me. And that's how it passed on from generation to generation.
Yes. Oh, wonderful. All right, so how difficult was it for you to start up a business like this in the U.S.?
It had its challenges, especially because I funded this business by myself.
Wow.
But you know what? 4 years, no partying, no new nails, no hairstyles. I'm just saving my money so that I could get it started. The most difficult part for me, I would say, is not really having like the mentorship or, the background of people saying, this is what you should do or this is what you shouldn't do. So the difficult part was trial and error. We tried so many things. We learned the hard way, but after 100 tries, we got it right.
That's awesome. So what's the response like? First, I want to know, what are the Jamaicans in Texas saying about it? And then I want to know, what are the non-Jamaicans saying about it?
You want to know something? The non-Jamaicans love our culture. I feel like Bob Marley already paved the way for us. And honestly, when they hear Jamaican pastries, they light up. They love the culture. And for the Jamaicans, I have to say, thank you so much, especially Jamaicans who live in Houston and here in the States. They've been supportive, just for sharing my post or telling their friends about it or ordering from me or just saying, like what you do, my girl, go and do your thing, because some days are so challenging and those are the only thing that, keep you going. You remember people are there looking out for you and boosting you along.
Yeah. You're no stranger to overcoming challenges, Yanni. Right now we're in a challenging time. That's why it's exciting for us to speak with someone like you on this show. When I read your story, you said, boy, your mother used to make the sweet treats. She did housekeeping, farming, whatever she had to do to send you to school.
Yeah.
So it wasn't easy.
And that came up with the name Ditty Island Delights because that was her nickname. So, she did so much, and now her name gets to live on through these products. Every time we said Ditty Island Delights, her name lives on. Even her logo, if you can see it right now, that's her face on there, but a lot of people don't know.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. That's really a great tribute to your mom. So everybody has mama name in their mouth, and them don't even know, eh? That's wonderful. But this was one of the dreams that you shared with her.
That's how you know the pastry is good, because when I moved here in the States, I couldn't find these pastries anywhere. I found the coconut, I found the jerk chicken and the oxtail and the goat, but I couldn't find my guisadas and my sweet potato pudding. I couldn't find that. So here we are today to ensure that if you're here in the States, you're enjoying this,
Yeah. You say the States, I know you're in Texas, but if you're anywhere in the States, because folks are watching us on One Spot Media everywhere, how do they get their hands on Ditty Island Delights? Or are you just based in Texas?
We are based in Texas and we ship anywhere in the US. We just added Canada and UK. And in a month, we're going to be adding Europe after Mrs. Corona passes through. We're not shipping into Jamaica yet because I don't want to put Nutsy out of business. I want to contribute to my people. I don't want to take from them. But if there ever is a need for it, sure, me and my phone puts up shop there.
I like the packaging. So when I order, what do I get in the package? Can I get just only gizzada? I can get a mixture. How does it work? Tell me what the products are and how are they sold?
We have set packages. So for instance, we have the family pack. You have 1 dozen, 3 of each. Or you can get a mixture. So if you really, really love just gizzada, you can get that alone. So we have the peanut cake, coconut ginger drops. We have grater cake and gizzadas. We also have rum cake. we have rum cake, and we have blue dress. We have blue dress. And guess what? Guess what we're adding next month?
What?
Tell a bottom, tell a top, tell one in the middle.
Pudding. I'm laughing because yesterday on radio we opted for the word dukuno instead of the traditional word that you just gave us on TV.
Oh, so sorry about that. Dukuno.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. So that sounds like quite a bit of Jamaican product right there. So and you said the response has been really great from the folks up there.
It has been. The reviews have been extremely good. We have so many good videos and reviews on our pages on Instagram at Ditty Island Delights. Check it out. On Facebook, it's the same name. On Twitter, Ditty, D-I-T-T-Y, Island Delights. They love it, man. And I love it too. I'm eating all my profit here right now.
Well, you know what? It's in honor of mommy. So I know that you wouldn't put something out with your mom's name and image if it wasn't 100%. And so that alone tells me that it's good quality. You studied communications and marketing at NCU, and then you went to Prairie View A&M University. This Ditty Island Delights full time, or is communication and media still a part of what you do?
I love marketing and communication, and I try to incorporate it into my business.
Okay.
I was professionally doing marketing for about a few years, and then I started this business full time, and of course I have to incorporate that in this as well.
Yeah, so now you're a pastry chef. Look at life.
So I'm making everything. I'm a pastry chef, an entrepreneur, marketing specialist, the whole works. You have to do everything, you know? Until I can get to the level where I can hire my own bakers and my own media specialists.
There you go, girl. How's COVID been treating you folks in Texas? How are the Jamaicans in Texas handling COVID? Because I know each state has its own personality. What's happening in Texas?
Oh boy. They're going around every day like to say it's a normal day, but you know what? They're following some of the rules. They have their mask on. They're staying away from you. It's like a zombie town, you know, when you go into the stores. So they are following the rules, but you still know Jamaicans. They're going to walk around with their flag mask on. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So everyone's trying to keep safe and keep sane while they're in. Well, let me tell you, if something can keep you sane at this time, it's some Jamaican treats. So for people who are watching and they want to order from you, what do they do? Visit www.dittyislanddelights.com and just select your package and we ship it to your door. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Ditty, D-I-T-T-Y, islanddelights.com. All right, awesome, Yannick. It's great talking to you. All the best to you. And you say you ship all across the States, Canada, Europe. You know, Jamaica people hard for please, you know, when it comes to with things them, you know. Especially the ones overseas, they don't play. They want traditional Jamaican stuff. So if they love it, I'm sure it's good. Well, you know what? I need to ship some to Jamaica for you so you can be, you know, you can try for yourself. Not a problem. Just make sure it says to Dalia only. And we know so you have to tell the truth. That's the good part. We know you have to tell the truth. Yeah, and I want to make sure I get it. If Tamaya sees it before I get it, it's done. So make sure the packaging says for Dalia only, not Tamaya. Or Kerry. Or Jody. I'm going to get a list of who's not supposed to get it. All right, girl. Thank you so much. So proud of you. Particularly because you're honoring your mother, and that's just a blessing. So all the best to you. Thank you so much for having me and giving me this opportunity. And I have to say one more thing before I go. Big up to Pointville. All right, there you have her. Pastry chef, the boss, with Ditty Island Delights, Yannick Rule. Listen. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along.